So welcome back, guys, to another episode of Edge of the Forest Homestead. And today we need to move the chickens. They've been here for about 4 days. They've eaten everything down, and we actually have them in both sets of the poultry net. It's two 100-foot nets, and it's working out really good. And I actually don't even have it energized right now. Once the guard goose got big enough, we haven't had any problems with like neighbor dogs or hawks or anything. We haven't had any loss, so kind of knock on wood is that, but actually doing pretty good. So everybody's kind of mad at me because I did hold out on feeding them. It's about 9 o'clock. Normally I come out here about 7:30, 8 o'clock to get them fed, but I do this so that they will kind of follow the feed once I set it down, because I don't have any extra nets. Because normally, I guess what you would do is, see, I'm going to move them over here closer to the front of the house. So I would, if I had extra net, I would put another one out and then kind of open it and let them walk in. But since we only have two, I do things a little different. I take the first net down, move it forward, then I'll move the chicken house, their feed, the water, get everything lined out, get them fed. And while they're eating, I'll move the back net all the way up to where this one was, and I kind of lock them in, and it goes from there. So I'm gonna set y'all up on a time lapse, and I'll get everybody moved. Nothing to it. And whenever you're moving your fences, the first initial setup that you get, don't be just, oh, it's got to be perfect and nice and tight, because you can always go back and move it. And after a couple days, it will loosen up on you a little bit, and you can kind of pull it out and kind of angle the post back. They are here, they're not straight up and down, they're just a little bit angled, and that helps a lot. That's not good. It's like even right here, a little bit saggy, so just kind of pull it back and see if we can get this in here. It'll tighten up a little bit. There we go. Not too bad. Look at them already exploring. And another thing is, I don't tie these together to the very end, because see, as you pull it, it'll tighten the fence up. See, it's kind of got a little bit of slack, and you pull it, it'll tighten it up. So I'll put the spikes in really close, and it'll make kind of a V as you start walking it out. And then if you go back and put it together, it'll help tighten up the fence. Everybody's just hanging out. Everybody's eating. I did switch them to an whole grain layer. There's some pellets in here. I don't know if they've eaten them already, but it's a lot of whole grain. I get this from Texas Naturals. Where did they? That blew up. That was good. I still haven't got the screws in that. So since we are giving them whole grain, I have switched to giving them some grit, the little rock. So let's go ahead and get them some of that right now. Already getting to work. So that was pretty much it. Nothing to it. Just another day here on the homestead. And sometimes they say farm, sometimes they say homestead. I don't know. Is it a farm? An animal? Maybe because we don't sell anything. I don't know. We'll see. So I guess this is a little teaser. I guess so we did get our best nest box and the best nest box. And here it is in the back of the truck. So hopefully I can get this going probably this afternoon or maybe tomorrow, and I will get that video up to y'all. So be on the lookout for that. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Never miss another video. Thanks.